Can I just ask a question?
Yeah, please.
Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah.
please.
Somebody was asking for a recording of the session because they wouldn't be here. I
Yeah,
think
I
there's
will
a
do
few
it.
people.
Okay, I will do,
Okay,
and we'll share
good.
it with personally.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you for reminding me. So, the second thing, we will complete the setup, which is very, very important. And the third thing, psychology. It is also important. Okay, the most important thing this, second, and this is also important. So, these are the three things we will complete. So, let's move to the chart first of all. So, the revision is simple. We were in the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. Okay, and what we have understood in this thing, we have marked the buy first, either buy or sell on weekly time frames. Then we have categorized the engulfing buy in three subcategories. First category, second category, the body, and the third category is the wick area. The most volume area means buyers and sellers at the lower wick. This is also volatile. This is less volatile area. Okay, means less buyers and less sellers. And if we form some confirmations here or here or here, so it depends which type of confirmation we are finding here in the lower time frame, and then we will look for a buy or sell. So it is purely a scalping setup. Okay, I hope you guys will enjoy it. So let's move to the lower time frame, which was our daily time frame. Within this daily time frame, what we gonna do, we already understood like the lower part of the weekly engulfing buy is the most volatile area. So we will simply go to the daily time frame and we will look for the daily engulfing buy. Okay. So as you can see, we have an engulfing buy here. Okay. This was the previous engulfing buy. Irrespective of this engulfing buy, we don't have any engulfing buy in this weekly time frame. So we will consider this area as the most important and the volume area. Simple. Just from weekly, we move to daily. And as we can see, this area is at the bottom of weakly engulfing the body and the wick area. It is in between these two things, okay? This daily buy. So within this daily buy, if you find any kind of setup, so that has the potential of giving you a holding setup. Weekly and daily time frame never gives you any trade. Someone okay, okay. What I was saying. So this area and the weekly and daily time frame never gives you any trade. It just gives you the direction. Once you enter a trade with confirmation in this high volume area, we get the trade for holding. You can hold it for 200, 300 pips because you can simply, as you have, I have given you the assignments to look for every engulfing buy or every engulfing sell and then try to get the setup. So in today's class, we will understand the setup, but still you guys can understand if it is a sell area and market comes to the upper part, it drops heavily. Okay, it drops heavily. Here also, if it is coming to the bottom area, forms the confirmation and it's sure, it's 100% sure market would have formed some confirmation at this lower part in this weekly engulfing buy, then only market started going up. Okay, so if you find any setup here, hold it for at least 100 pips as you are a beginner right now. Okay, and minimum 40 60 pips is the bare minimum. Okay, if you are taking trades for 10 pips, 15 pips, or 20 pips, then you never gonna make money. Even with a small account, you can make money, but you need such areas, some patience which is needed. Okay, guys. So now we will move to setup directly. This was our pure revision. Okay, and one thing more regarding the same thing. If you find trades in these areas, the upper area, okay, the weekly area of the weekly engulfing buy, that has also the same potential. But what happens? We are all every time we are looking for high probability trades. If you find area like trades in these areas, that will also work. But you have to take partials. You have to take make your trade risk free at a running of 20-30 pips and then wait for the higher DPs. Okay. Now let's move to H4. So what is the importance of H4? So simply we can say H4 time frame is the father. Okay. Okay, this is the father. Daily and weekly is the direction. Daily, weekly is the direction. In H4, you need two things. We have H4 engulfing by H4 engulfing sell, H4 engulfing buy fail, H4 engulfing sell fail. So guys, you already know if we have an engulfing buy, the work of this engulfing buy is to give you buy. Only buy you can see. If you have a sell fail, it is also denoting your buy. If you have sell, this is completely for sell. If you have buy fail, that is for sell. These are the four things you have to just remember. And I will share the notes in the group as well. This note. Okay. So why sell fail is considered as a buy area? So sell fail is considered as a buy area because it is simply a resistance becoming support. Okay. Let's have a look at the chart again. If we have H4, this is our sell, right guys? This is engulfing sell. This got broke. Someone is too late today. Okay. This is our sell fail area. Simple sell that has been failed and the body closed. Everything is body. Okay. If body is not closing above your sell fail, you will not consider it as a sell fail. Some people consider the wick. If the wick is going out of the box, they will consider it as a sell fail. But that is not accurate from my practice. You have to wait for the body closer. If body is closing, then only we'll consider it as a sell fail area. Okay, guys? If only wick is going, it is not a sell fail. If the body is closing outside the box, that is called sell fail. And you will try to take the buy trades. Is it clear? And in between guys, please let me know if my voice is totally clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, great.
Clear,
So
everyone.
once, okay, thank you. So if this is a sell fail, so simply you have to wait for the buy setups when market is coming to your box again. Okay, then you can find the rally. So now this sell fail is called as, some people call it as simply a sell fail, which is the basic term everyone knows. Some people call it as a RBS. Okay, some people call it as blind spot. Okay, so these are some different names. But you don't have to look into the names. You have to just simply understand sell fail, the body closer. I'm repeating, body closer is important. Body closer. No wick is involved. Okay. So now, okay. So now we have a sell fail market coming to your area, and then we can take the buy. So how to take the buy? That is the most important thing. The next thing you have to look for engulfing buy, simple engulfing buy. This is our simple engulfing buy. So simple engulfing buy shows the buy trades. If it is a sell fail, it also shows buy trades, and vice versa. If you have a buy fail, this is our buy that got failed. Buy fail, you can look for sell trades. Okay, and simply if it is a sell, you have to look for sell trades. Is it clear, everyone? Till this point, very basic.
Yes, brother.
Yes,
Okay,
brother.
great. So now we are moving to very important thing. Let's mark this for mm, where is our H4? We have this H4 because right now market is at the all-time high. So we'll find buys at a little difference. Okay, this buy, this buy. These are the simple engulfing buy, which is the most important one. Buy, 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 buy. I hope here we don't have any buy right now. This week is here. We cannot consider this as buy. This is not buy. Okay, great. Let me take one more here. This one is also buy. One, two, three, four, five. I have marked five engulfing buys. Now we'll move to the setup. Simply go to M30. Okay, once we will move to the M30 time frame, what we have to do, we have to mark all those M30s which is residing within the box. Okay, which is within the box. So right now in this proper H4, we have one engulfing by M30, second engulfing by M30. Now I'm deleting the H4 here. I have deleted this one.
It
Now
doesn't
if,
matter. It doesn't matter whether it is tested or non-tested.
yeah, there is no concept of tested, no concept of sideways, no concept of fresh in this.
Only just we
Okay,
need to focus on the uh, marking the
M30,
M30 buy areas if we are looking for the buy zone.
right. Okay, that's why it's called a scalping setup, no? Because we don't have to look for fresh tested these kind of things. So now once M30 is here and we have already H4, if you don't have H4, there is no trade. If we have H4, we have trades. Very simple rule. If H4 is available, then only you guys can trade. If H4 is not available, you can't trade. Okay. Now, once market comes to your box, simply you have to move to three. You have to apply three time frames. So I am writing it here. We have. I am writing the process as well. It can be a lengthy class, but I have to do H4. We have marked. We need to mark the M30s. It can be tested or pressed. So because there is no need of these two things, you can mark it. Okay. There's no need to understand this as well. Then we have to go to these M30s needs to be within the H4. Okay. Then we have three time frames to trade. We have M15. Okay. Wait a second, please. Hmm. We have M15, which is low risk trade, very low. Means you can say heaven. If we have M5 confirmation, this is medium risky. If you have M1, this is heart attack. It is always noisy until you understand the volume. Okay. If you don't understand the volume, simply look into the M5 and M15. If you find M1, so that is a good, but the accuracy is as low as 40-50%. Okay, because you don't know volume right now. Once you will understand the importance of volume in your coming practices, then only you can trade with M1. But right now, it's an advice, don't use M1. We'll focus on this and this. What we have to look, we have to look for simple M15 buy or sell. We have to look for M5 sell fail or buy fail. Same applies to M1 sell fail, buy fail, or the most important to avoid some risks, ABC M1. Do you guys know ABC? How many of you know ABC? How to market? You guys can raise your hand. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Okay, so what I will do, I will simply paste my YouTube video as well in the group. If you guys don't know ABC, not so much important in this scalping setup, but still that would be important if you guys are trading on M1. Okay, so thank you for your information. So now simply we are in the M30. So once market will come to your box in this purple box, mark your line and mark this line. Once market again comes to touch your box, firstly you have to move to M5. Okay. Once you will move to M5, you have to mark either M5 sell fail. Okay. Now it's a quiz time. We will open. Anuj bro, unmute yourself and answer some questions. This was an H4 area. Okay. So within this H4 area, we have M30 buy. So what we have to look here, either buy fail or sell fail in M5. Which
Uh,
confirmation? Yes, yes.
just a minute.
Cell fail. Cell fail. We need.
Yeah. Who was this one? Yeah. So
Of
you
course,
have to. Yeah. Yes,
we
yes.
have to. If we are looking for a buy setup in H4 buy, then of course we have to look for sell field.
Great. So because this was a M30 setup, which we looking for buy area, and within this we have a H4 area, which was also a buy. We have to simply look for M5 sell fail or M15 engulfing buy. Very simple. Known mathematics. Sell fail or engulfing M15 buy. So this is our sell fail. Can you see this sell fail? This M5 setup should be either within this box or touching the box. Like this is touching, you can simply see touching the box, sell fail, or it should be within the box. Please pay your attention. It is very important. M5 should be touching the box, touching M30. Okay, this M30 is D30. You can call it D30. Within this, you need and within the box. Within the box. Is it clear? If it is forming here, don't trade.
Is it a new name of D30? What is the abbreviation of
We
D30?
have simple D30. There is nothing called as such because we have something more to add into this. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So now this M30 market came tested. Now what you have to do, you have to shift these lines here, here, delete the M30. Is it clear? I have deleted M30. I have deleted H4. This is your trade. Your SL will be 50 to 20 pips down. Okay. And your TPs will be 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1. You will break even. Take some partials for your breakfast and wait for 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4 until some resistance, not like stopping the gold to fall. For example, it is going like this. So you can sense market is easily going 50 pips. It can go higher. If you find a sell fail here, wait for more continuation. Okay, wait for more pips. If it is forming a sell fail here, wait for more pips. If it is forming M5 buy as well or M15 buy, wait for higher pips, 100, 120 pips. Are you getting my points, guys? Continuation will come with M5 sell fail or M5 engulfing buy or M15 buy. Clear? Now, this was your trade. Your SL was, this area is around 8 pips, 8 to or 9, 10 pips, and your SL was 15 pips down or 20 pips. Okay. Simple. It was a 25 or 30 pips area, and you have to take at least 30 pips as your first TP or break even at 30 pips and wait for 50, 60 pips minimum for your first TP. Clear? Within the same area, I'm again marking this M30. Okay, I'm deleting this one, this purple box. This was my M30. If market is coming here and you have M15 engulfing buy, can you see? We have an M15 engulfing buy. After M30 formed, market again came to your area. Market formed an M15 buy. Shift your lines. This is also your 12 pips area. Okay. Once market enters your area, take a SL of 20, 30 pips. SL 20, 30 pips. Take your trade. TP. Same. 1:2, 1:3. Okay. Now a question arises if your M15 is more than 20, 30 pips. Let's suppose we have this single thing bar. Okay. This is an example. If this is your M15 and this is a 30 pip area, so what you will do, you will place a line here from the bottom 10 pips up. From the bottom 10 or 8 pips up, mark a line. This is called rejectory line. Don't take your trade here if this M15 is more than 20, 30 pips, or if your SL becomes more than 30 pips, 30, 40 pips. So simply make a place a line with your experience so that the SL will become 20, 30 pips maximum. Take your trade here and wait for the same TP. Is it clear or should I repeat it?
Clear.
Everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Not everyone is replying. Any confusion, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, please
Um,
ask.
you mentioned if your SL is greater than 20 to 30 pips,
Mm-hmm.
and you move it to the line, is the line the lower end of the body
No,
of
no.
the green candle
From this purple box, the lower
from that
level,
purple? Okay,
yeah, just
so
place
it's
it at a distance of 8 to 10 pips. Let market
8 to
come,
10 pips
reject.
above.
Yeah, from this lower purple box, okay, because we are
Okay,
looking for buy, lower
right.
purple box, place a line at so that your SL will become small. This simple thing. Place a line here
Okay,
with like imaginary line. This is called rejectory line. Let market come and reject from here. Okay.
okay. And this
It rejects
wick,
touching the box. Which one?
the wick we have underneath. So the following candle was a
This one?
rejection. Yes. Wouldn't that have taken you out?
Rejection means simply if market M1 comes here, M1 and
Hmm.
touches this line. Once market touches your line, take your trade. That's called rejectory line. Just market touches this one, take your trade.
I
Or you
see.
can place a zero spread account, just place your limits because your spread account has 3 pips spread. And in news, it is becoming like 4 to 5 pips. So if you have
Okay,
zero spread, you can open your demo account as well, depends on your methodology. You directly place a line here, place your SL at 20, 25 pips, TP at 1:2.
okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Why we are doing this? Because at M15 is more than 20, 30 pips. To avoid
Okay,
unnecessary losses, we are placing an imaginary line. We are waiting for the market to reject from this point, this line. If market already rejects above the line, okay, for example, market comes, touches the purple box and rejects for 30 pips, gives you first TP, then you have to avoid this line. It becomes high risk.
mhm,
Clear? Everyone?
clear from me
If
anyway.
anyone is facing problems in this, please unmute yourself and ask. We are limited here. I hope everyone is clear. Moving to M30 again. So we have two options here. If you want a medium risk entry, simply go with M15. If you want little risky area, go with M5, engulfing sell fail or buy fail. If you want little more stress, go to M1, sell fail or ABC. Your risk to reward should be same in every case. Okay. Now, can you see we have this M30 as well, but market didn't come to our area. So avoid this area because market didn't come. Market directly starts going up from this particular M30 to the upper side. If market comes again, just see this M30. You guys can look for the same confirmation because this is your H4. This is your H4. You can use this H4 until it breaks, until any red candle of H4 closes below the bubble box. Okay, let me show you. For example, like this, a candle closes below the bubble box in M30, sorry, in H4. Then only you can look for sell setups because it will become a buy fail. Is it clear, everyone? So that I can show you more examples.
Yes, brother.
Great, great. Can you see we have one H4 here? Now I'm deleting this and line.
बोल तो नहीं भी होती है कोई दिक्कत थोड़ी ना
Okay, this is my H4 again. This is my H4 engulfing buy. Tested. It started going up. So why it is going up? Go to M30. We have M30 here, right? So we will mark all our M30s. Once the H4 is complete, I am marking this my M30. This is my M30. Clear, guys? Simply placing my lines here. Okay. Once market form the engulfing buy, market come to your area. Okay. Once market comes to your area, now start finding your confirmations. First of all, go to M50 or M5, whatever you want. Okay. Simply try to find your M15 engulfing buy. Market comes, market didn't form M15 here, market formed M15 here, engulfing buy. You don't have to take this M15, guys. This is around M15, M30. Market has to come into this box, then form confirmation. It will get complicated. This is your M30 area. Let market come here, then look for M15 or M5. You cannot take this earlier M15. You need current market confirmation. Okay. So now market formed an M15 here, but market didn't touch the M15. Go to M5, try to find your confirmation again, either sell fail. Market only formed an M5 engulfing buy, tested and fly. So this is not our entry. We cannot find any entry here. So maybe in M1 we can see any sell fail or ABC. Going back, we have one sell fail in M1. Can you see? Sell, fail, touch, and market didn't come to your area after 20 pips. This was your entry. Sell, fail. Is it clear? But this is the high risk entry. I'm repeating because I don't like to take unnecessary risk on M1. So at least we need M5. So this was your entry, and this was your M15 as well here, where you can take the buy. If market would have tested the area, you can take the buy. Is it clear, everyone? Any question? Okay.
Can you
What if
use
market?
Yeah. Yes.
What
What
if
if market?
market comes to this zone again? 15 minutes.
पता है
No
मेरे
trade because you have missed the entry by 2 or 3 pips.
Okay.
So if market is coming to your area again, open your M15, take the confirmation in the lower M30, then only you can take the trade. But you need M30. Okay.
अरे
Okay.
So now I'm deleting the upper areas because it's getting congested. Delete, delete. This was my M30. Okay. This one. This was proper M30. Let me check my H4 first. Okay, guys, sorry. This was my H4 here. This is H4. This is H4. Market came. So now I'm going to M30 to find my M30 fresh. Sorry, no fresh, no tested here. This is my M30 here. Okay, this is my M30. In the lower areas as well, I have this M30. But market didn't come to your area, this lower area. Market was having this M30, market came. Let's find confirmation. We have M5 engulfing sell fail, but it is a very large area, I guess. 20-30 pips area. Can you see? Sell failed here. Go to M15 to try to take the buy. No. Go to M1. We have one sell fail here in M1. Sell fail. Within 20 pips, it came, tested, and then started going up. Okay. But this is very risky. And this is also A, B, C. Okay, no ABC. Standard not touching. Okay, this is sell fail, simple. Sell fail, touch, then try. M1 SL is small. Once any candle again closes below the zone, this is sell fail. Any candle's body closes below the zone, it will become invalid. So hardly your SL will be 15, 12, 13 pips like this. Because this M1 is only a range of 5 to 6 pips. Once M1 closes below the area, you have to avoid. Okay. Going to the previous M30 now. Deleting this one, deleting this one. We have M30, M30, M30. Take this M30 or this M30. This was M30. You cannot take trade directly. Let market come. Let market form confirmations first. Then only you can take the trade. So let's suppose we have this M30, this M30. Open your M15 first of all. Check whether M15 has formed any confirmation or not. Didn't form. Go to M5. In this upper box, market didn't form any confirmation. Market directly break. So you don't have any trade here. Market came, market formed only engulfing buy, moved some pips, moved to M1. Check whether there is M1 or not. Back. We have one sell fail here, which got broken. Can you see? Sell, failed, market again broke. So we have to cut. Again, market formed an engulfing sell that failed. Sell, failed, tested, and then started going up. It is around 100 pips from 88 or 86 It's around 96, 97. Simple M1, but M1 is risky. You have to wait with patience for M5 and M15. So let's understand or take this setup here. We have a buy fail in H4. Can you see? Buy fail. Move to M30 now. Here was your H4 that failed. Okay. Mark this M30. Deleting this. Okay. I'm again showing you. This is another buy fail. We have marked the M30 here. Okay. Placing my lines. Let market come to your zone. You have to find your M15 first. So we have one M15 confirmation here. Can you see we have an engulfing cell? Okay. Shifting my lines. Now let's see. We have an area of 20 pips from 84 to 86. Can you see? From 84 to 86, this is 20 pip area. And we need an SL of at least like 20, 30 pips. If it is more than 40 pips, we have to ignore. So right now the box is only 20 pips. And above this, we can keep an SL of 10 to 15 pips so that the maximum SL will become 20, 30 pips. So simply, I'm just showing you the example from the upper portion, place the line at 10 pips. Okay, keep the box here, sell, market come. Let market take all the orders from here, from 85. If market rejects before touching your line or gives you 20, 30 pips from the purple box itself, you have to ignore. Market came, market took the area, market started dropping. Is it clear?
Rohan, brother, this, as you said, the previous M15 we don't need to consider. But the real market, when it creates the M15 or M5 engulfing cell, in the case
Mm-hmm.
of cell, right? The
Mm-hmm.
moment it forms M15 cell, so the moment it creates a M15 cell, then the line what you have placed. So once that
Yes.
line touches, then only we need to place a sell order, or we can consider as a whole box as a sell box,
This whole box is a sell box because this was our M30, right? Sell,
right?
market came, formed the confirmation. According to the rule, we have to take the trade on this M15. But the SL was little big, okay? Little bit from my end because it was 30, 40 pips and I don't want unnecessary float. I will just shift my line from this purple to here. Market will come
For the entry,
take,
for the entry,
for the
yes.
for the entry. You
Okay,
can also take your trade here.
that is what I
But it
was wondering.
yeah, 20 pip area. And above this, you can keep 10 pips or 50 pips. But if I'm keeping my SL 20 pips from this line, it will become 40 pips SL.
Uh,
40 pip SL is little big. So what I will do, just shift the line here and let market come, touch, drop. Capture 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3.
so
Don't capture
simple, the
1 is.
moment we see the engulfing cell, in case of
Mm-hmm.
cell, we need to just wait for to touch our zone once again, or we can look for the midline what you have basically draw here. That is what you
Yes.
are trying to say, correct?
Right.
And the SL would be that is out of the zone, that is 10 pips above the zone,
Right.
or the
Right.
lowest of the zone in case of buy.
Fine.
Got
Any
it.
query? Everyone? Anyone?
No.
Okay. So let's move to M5 to try to find any confirmation formed here. Can you see any buy fail in this box? If you missed the M15 entry,
Yes, brother.
yes, we have
At the
a.
bottom. Yeah.
So you can take your Either you can take your continuous entry here, or you can take a risky entry here. If you have missed the M15, so you have to look for M5, because not every time market will form double M15. It will take a lot of time for market to form M50 setups. Okay, is it clear? This
Yeah.
M5 is a buy fair area. So now again open your H4. So focus on this H4. This was a buy fail, and I am looking for the M30. Then I took the trade and then started dropping. Is it clear? Now see, again move to the M30. Try to understand, if market comes here and forms another M30 within the same area, okay, like this, engulfing sell in M30. So the previous M30 is of no use now. You have M30 here, market came to your area, market formed another M30. This M30 is of no use. Let market form another confirmation for this M30, then only you can take the trade. Is it confusing?
Yes, it's confusing.
So what we have to do, simply, if you have M30, let market form come and form an M15, M5 or M1 confirmation. If market do not forms any confirmations and you are still waiting, and market forms M30 within this box, the same M30 here in M30 cell. So what you have to do, you have to remove this M30 now, and you have to focus on the new M30, new confirmation, then take the trade.
Got it.
Is it clear, everyone? If anyone is not getting it clearly, I will again explain it. Please ask your questions now.
Simply the M15, like the same direction as the M30s, or M5 or M1. What is that? The feeling area. That is what you are referring to, right?
Right.
Got it.
Okay.
But we need to focus on the real market structure form which is happening, not the pre.
Right. So you have to make your plan. For example, some people uh, don't want any float. More than 30 float is like a boon. Okay, for example. So what you will do, you will ignore M1, M5. You will only take 10 trades. More than that, you will find. I'm just explaining. Some people only focus on M15. Some people only focus on M5. Some people focus on M1 because their risk management is strong. In M1, obviously, you will find a lot of entries. Every day, two, three, four, five. In M5, you will find two, three setups. In M15, you will find one setup, but that is quality setup. In a month, you will find at least 20 to 30 setups with high accuracy, 80, 90% accuracy, with 1:1, 1:2, 1:3. So you have to make a plan that we will discuss in the psychology session right now, going to like start in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So the most important things from this M30 was, if market forms another M30 in the same M30, you have to mark the new M30 and new confirmations to take the trade and avoid the previous M30. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
And don't start imagining before M5 becomes buy fail or sell fail. For example, what happens sometimes? For let's suppose this one was a buy fail. Can you see the green candle floated here this week? So some people imagine it will become a buy fail. It will close. Some people imagine. So don't imagine. It can reject heavily from here. Then it will close like this, and you will like float unnecessarily for 40, 50 pips. Until it closes, there is no trade. Yeah. And on the retest of the box only, you have to take the trade. If you are missing it, let it go. No worries. Market will give you new opportunities every day. Now I'm showing you more examples, and then I will teach you the potential take profits. How to take the potential take profit. Okay. So I'm showing you more examples from the previous data. Let's try to mark this H4. Can you see we have a sell or a buy fail as well here? So if there is an area where you see buy fail or engulfing simple sell both at the same time, so try to mark the proper simple engulfing sell or simple engulfing buy. If you have both things together, buy fail or engulfing sell for this one. Here we have a buy fail, we have a sell as well. So focus on this simple sell. The simple things has more accuracy. Okay. Because the buy fail is little complex, but the sell is good. Only sell. Let market come to your area. What I have to do now? Who will open? Ma'am Faustina, unmute yourself. Hello.
Hello, sir. I have a question, sir.
Yes, please ask.
We only have to take engulfing buys and sells on M30. No engulfing buy fails or engulfing
Sure.
sell fails. We only have to take simple engulfing buys and simple engulfing sells.
Yes, right now you have to focus on the simple things. Simple M30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Constantina, ma'am, open your mic. I think he's not here. Okay. Now let us know the process. This was our H4. So which M30 we have to mark here?
Are you talking to me? Sorry, I didn't hear.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm asking you. This was my H4 engulfing cell.
Okay.
Which M30 I need to mark? Either this buy
the
fail,
last one.
this sell, this sell.
The cell. The
This one?
cell. No, the next one. This one. Yes.
Okay, this one. I am marking it. Okay. This M30. Market came. Now what I have to do here in this box?
We have to go to M15 and look for an M15 engulfing cell.
Do we have any M15 engulfing cell within this purple box?
Yes.
These area are not touching.
No,
Okay.
but the next one, yes, this one is touching.
This one?
No,
or
the above this one, yes.
Great. This M15 was how many pips? From 2523 till 2516. This is around 60 pips. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So we place a line.
What I will do?
We place a line, 10 pips.
10 pips down. Okay.
Yeah.
Here, somewhere here. Now, technically, I have to take my trade at this line.
Mm-hmm.
Now, try to understand. Market rejected from this one. This was our M15, and market rejected from this point. Do you know why? Because we have one more engulfing cell here in M15. Okay. So market is also forming this M15, touching this M30. Mm-hmm. Is it clear? So yes, we have both M15s. Either we can take your trade here or here. So what I will do, I will take my trade at the above, like the below M15, and try to manage my trade so that my SL will not become more than 30-40 pips. So I will take my trade on this line or 10 pips lower this. My SL will be 20 pips from this 20-30 pips, so that at least it should touch my this purple box, this one in between the lines. Let market come, either touch this one or reject from this line. Okay, and try to catch at least 1:2, 1:3.
So you
So
would have both cells placed.
yeah,
You
but
not the above zone. You will ignore it. You wouldn't place a cell
I will
limit
not.
on the.
For example, let's
On,
suppose I have a 1% risk capacity for
You'll
loss.
split the risk and place both cells.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, that we have to manage as a trader. I will take my
Mm-hmm.
0.50 here at this line, or simply I will take my one lot here, and my SL will be here from 15 or 10 pips here. But my SL will become 40, 50 pips. So how to avoid this? I will decrease my lots. 0.50 here, 0.50 here, or 0.30 here and 0.70% here.
Mm-hmm.
Because if market respect this one, it will fall sharply. If
Mm-hmm.
market respect this one, it will also fall, but not that much sharply. Because some people are waiting for this one, some traders are waiting for this line. So we just have to manage it. Because risk management, is it clear?
Yes.
The other thing, if you want a sniper entry, move to M5. At the top of M5, can you see
We have. Yes, we
one
have
buy
an
fail?
engulfing by fail. Yes.
So delete all these things now. Set your line here. Take a trade little 10 pips down from this area so that my M5 SL will become 20, 30 pips. Take the trade.
Okay.
Even this M5 gave you 90 pips.
Yeah.
And if some trader wants to take trade on the basis of M15, you can take trade on this box or the upper box. So that will also give you more than 140 pips. If we want more sniper entry, go to M1. If I have data, we have to look for the buy fail at the top. So do we have a buy fail at the top?
Yes.
So that was my sniper entry, buy fail, or this buy fail. Buy fail. Once market closes above the box, we will cut 4, 5, 10 pips maximum loss in M1 setup.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear everyone now? How to take trades on the basis of M15, M5 or M1?
That's clear.
Again going to M30. Who is coming? Hi bro, you are little late for this session. Okay, so now what we have to focus, if market forms one more cell within the same cell, okay, this cell, so we have to focus on the new M30. But technically we don't have any cell because this didn't close below the like this pi field. Okay, and this M30 is very long. Okay, so technically we don't have M30 here. Again, market come to an area. We have to wait for new M30, new trade and new confirmations. Again, I'm going to H4. Let me show you more trades. Is it getting clear now? Or do you have any queries? Okay, I think I can suppose you are getting clear. This is my H4, engulfing buy. Within the engulfing buy, let market come. Focus M30. Yeah, okay, I think this I have completed already. We have this one, H4, engulfing buy. Okay, marking my M30. We have this M30. We have M30 down as well. So I'm just taking the example of this one. M30, let market come. First, I will look for M15. So I think I have an M15 here.
I will mark my M50. I will try to take my entry little low. Can you see? M15 engulfing buy form. Market tested the upper area. If I could take the entry here, so my SL will be 60-70 pips. I will avoid in M15. It's already tested and fly. Now, if market comes to your zone again, don't take the entry. It already respected from the top area. Go to M5. Do we have any sell fail? Yes, at the highest point, we have a sell fail. But here as well, sell fail and after market came after 100 pips. Cannot take the trade. Go to M1. Do we have any sell fail at the bottom? I guess so. We have sell fail here, which got broken first, and then market respected it. So maybe in other broker, we would have a sell fail here. That's why it started flying up. Maybe you can check on your chart. Okay, sell fail, tested, and then it started going up. So we have three confirmations: M50, M5, M1. You can take trade anywhere. Now market came, respected, and started going up. Is it clear now, everyone?
Yes, bro.
So this is how you have to find your trades using H4 and M30, new confirmation, new trade. So how many of you are clear with this one? Okay, everyone is almost clear. So if someone is not clear, please unmute yourself and ask your query so that I can clear and your queries can also benefit others. So don't be introvert. Ask your questions, please.
Rohan sir, I have a one query for Danish sir.
Uh,
I think Danish
Danish?
is in the call. I think so.
No, he did.
Oh,
I don't see here. I can't see him.
Mr.
He left the call. No, he's not here in this class. This is Mr. Makbul.
Maybe. Anyway. Actually, a while before, I think somebody who has some, please anyone clarify my doubt, please. You can, then Danish sir, you can draw this. There is no such rules in engulfing calamity theory, what he mentioned. So I just wanted to get clarification from him. I think Ram has mentioned some post about the first class uh, practice. Then I think so. He mentioned about there is no such rules in engulfing calamity on 19th of September, like 2 days back. So I just wanted to understand from him what he was.
Mr. Ram, can you please unmute yourself and ask your query? If you do you have any question? Mr. Aditya, I guess.
Hello, sir.
Right. Yeah, please. Someone is asking something.
I want to ask about the ABC pattern that you were referring to earlier. That's what I need confirmation on.
Okay, I will share the YouTube video in the group. You guys can go through the ABC and you will understand everything. Okay. Right after the class, I will share the video. Okay. Anuj bro, I don't think he is having some question. If you do have any like personal questions,
I will text you, Rohan sir.
You can call me either. We will discuss it. Okay.
There was just a specific comment from Mr. Sky that he mentioned to Ram on 19th of September, and that seems basically a specific important. That's the reason I thought to just check. But anyway, I will text you and we'll get a clarification.
Okay, great, great.
Yep.
Yeah. So I think yes, yes, please. Yeah, we are moving to risk management and psychology right now. The setup is little clear. We are moving to the part. Before that, I'm just confirming everyone is clear with these things. And those who are late, I will share you the video. Okay, till this point. After this, you guys can ask the questions regarding the previous class as well. Now we are moving to the part. So I hope this is clear. Simply add some things here. If you have a trade at this point, for example, you got your setup here, the same setup here, try to hold it for more pips. Okay, take your parcels time to time and hold it. Even if you hold your 0.01 for 200 pips, that will be 20 USD. Okay, so try to hold it and compound yourself. So compounding something different that we will learn right now. But if you find some setups here within daily, okay, this is our daily. In this daily, we find setups here. So let's try to understand. This is our daily. Move to H4. We have H4 here. New. Within this H4, we need a confirmation. Go to 31st. Mark your M30 area. I guess this is my M30. We have two M30s. This one first M30. This one two M30s. Move to M15 now. Let market come to your area. No M15, no M15. This is not M15. Properly not in work. Market game. We have M15 here. Okay. M15. H. So you have to take your entry. If the area is already small, take your entry and wait for higher dips because this is at the bottom. This is your H4, M30, market K, market form confirmation. We have ABC here as well. We have M15 sell fail here as well. So in M5 as well, we will move to the M5 time frame. Can you see? We have here a sell fail. Can you see? Sell fail, sell fail. In M5 as well, if you miss M15, this is our M5 sell fail trade. Market go up, sell fail, hold it, sell fail, try to hold it. We don't have sell fail, sell fail, sell fail, hold it. So from this little area, you can hold 200 pips easily. Just what you have to do, don't close your entry quickly. Okay, don't take your entry quickly as well. Is it clear, guys? How to hold? So now let's move to the psychological part. So I have prepared some drawing. Is it good? So see. So this is Joker. Okay. So the qualities he is having in his mind or his characters, he do not believe in revision. Okay. He think he is intelligent, and from the first day of the class, he will start taking the trades on real account. The qualities. He will blame someone for his mistakes. He will not admit his mistakes. And as a trader, you have to admit your mistakes. Sometimes I also do the mistakes. I'll do the mistakes. Everyone does the mistakes. Okay. He has no patience and he quickly change things on the basics of his practice. 1 or 2 days practice, change the strategy. No, because you are taking daily, weekly, H4, and then you are entering an M15. So it simply means this is a high quality setup. You are filtering all times. If your trade is wrong, it simply means all those traders who are taking the same trades, they are also wrong. Let it go. You will not be 100% accurate, or like it is not a holy grail. Okay. Don't search for new strategies depending on your SLs. If your SL is 1%, grow it on the other entry. Try to grow it third entry, fourth entry, fifth entry. The process continues. He says he kicks the risk management. He will not follow risk management. He will see a good setup and he will push a lot with 10 lots, 0.10 at an account of 100 USD. So don't do these mistakes. Don't believe on your inner feelings that market can go up from a particular level. Market can or cannot go because there is 1000 possibilities every second in the market. So only risk management can let you win in the market. Okay. He also believes layering max profitable. For example, you took an entry here for buy, market is going down, you are pushing buy. And at the end of the year, you are in DD, drawdown, or you will blow your account. So don't do these things as well. Okay. So now, if you don't want to follow him, just simply focus on risk management, avoid layering, some kind of meditations, other things. And I also believe these things. And you have to focus, or you can read a book that is called The Secret. Everyone suggests me, my mentor also suggests me, and I'm just suggesting it depends on your things. But layering, risk management, changing the strategy will never work. I hope this is clear. Then you will become very happy like this guy. Now we will talk about risk management. This is very simple. We will start with a 100 USD account, or you can simply take a 10K demo account or a funded account. It depends on your thinking. For every trade, if you have a 100 USD account, try to risk 5% because it will not a funded account. It is simply a 100 USD real account or 5% or 10%. If this is a M15 setup, means you got a H4, you got a M30, you got M15 confirmation with a 20-30%, then take 10% risk only. On the basis of M1, it will never work. Okay. If you are taking trades on M1, risk only $3-4, 3 to 4% in your 100 USD account. M1 or M5. Even M5 is hasn't having good accuracy, but M1 is little noisy and very like sad to work on with 10%. Okay. If you are risking 5% at 1:1, if you have a 30 pip SL, before taking entry, your SL should be determined in advance. If you haven't determined your SL, in the long run, in a week, 2 week, 3 week, you will potentially blow your account. 100% sure. Strategy is only 10%, your risk management is 50%, and your psychology is 50%. I think this is the main important thing. So at 1:1, you have to find or determine your SL in advance before placing an entry. Determine your SL in advance, then proper risk at 1:1. Break even your positions. Okay, break even means putting your SL at the entry point. After 30 pips, start taking partials at 50 pips, 60 pips, 40 pips. Depends on rejection. But you are safe now. And according to my idea, break even is a null entry. It will neither increase your account, it will not decrease your account. It is a null, zero entry, zero like power. Okay, only focus on 1:2 setups every day, 1 or 2 setups every day. But focus on quality setups. If you want to grow your small activity, you are having 100, 200 USD, focus on M15 only. If you are focusing or you are having bigger account, you can go on for M5 as well because you have to risk little. Okay. For one like 10,000 USD account funded account, you can risk 2% or 3% per trade. In the practice, if you find a funded account or you purchase a real account, a real funded account, only focus 2% on M15 setups. For 2%, try to gain at least 3 to 4%. Okay. In 3 or 4 entries means which will hardly take you 1 week, you can potentially pass your account. And if you have a funded account, don't use M1. Even if you have a real account, don't use M1 right now because you are still practicing. Just monitor it and try to take the trade. And must watch the ABC video. I will share it in the group. Okay. Then if you have a focus on M15 setups only, then that will be great. You can like increase your account slowly. In for every one trade, you will get $10, $15, $20. That will slowly increase your account. And once you increase your account, increase your lots. Never place, never place your account on margin call. If you have a small account, don't place your margin call thinking I will again deposit some. For example, you have 50 USD, you took one trade, it is going in negative, and you are thinking I will deposit some other day. Okay, let it burn. No, if you are wrong cut, even if you are like saving 5 USD from your mistakes, save your 5 USD in the last 5 USD. It will not make you rich, but it will improve your psychology. So never try to burn your account in 1 or 2 trades. Even if it is a $10 account, try to flip it. Don't burn it. If you have $50 account, try to burn it in 3 to 4 entries at least, so that you can able to manage the bigger account. This session is not for you to become quickly rich. This is for your understanding to focus on quality setups only. That's why H4 is important, M30 is important. M30 we took the time frame because M30 is a mid-year time frame. M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, and daily. 3 time frames here, 3 time frames here. This is an average time frame which people use. There is nothing called fresh, tested, sideways. You don't need sideways. You need H4 only. Now coming to the compounding time frame. Compounding, sorry. So compounding simply means depositing small, withdrawing big. For example, you have a zero spread account. Okay, you have 10 USD. So what you will do? You will make a setup H4, M30, the M15. You will precise it more. You have to enter with lot of patience. Sometimes you will miss the entry, but the reward is very high. For example, you got the M15. This was your M15 from 2315 to 2317. Your SL is like here 2320. This becomes 50 pips. Let market come here till here at the rejector line. Then plus 0.0123 lots. And your TPs will be at least thrice your account. If you have deposited 10, at least withdraw 30 USD. If you can't see 30 in your MT5, don't close your entry. Just let it burn or let it give you 1:3. Okay. And the chances of passing this is very high because M30 gives you a confidence of higher time frame and the better trades. So if M15 you got the trade, just deposit small, withdraw big. First, try it on your demo account if you are trying to compound because long run wins if you are focusing on risk management. Trading is all about risk management, not compounding. But compounding has those who are having little funds with them. They are getting bored in risk management. You can follow compounding. So once you make it 10 to 30, withdraw your 10. Even if it's very small account, I know it is 10 USD only. Focus on 20, flip it. If you lose, again come to 10. Again go to 30. Again diversify it in 50-50 or 10-20. Let the process repeat itself at 20 or 30 trades. you will see the amazing effect of compounding. Bare minimum, you will have 100 USD in your account at the bare minimum if you are following compounding. But if you are following risk management, it will give you growth in terms of percentage. It can be 10% monthly, 30% monthly, but in engulfing, the percentage is very high. It can be 40%, 50% bare minimum on your 100 USD account if you're following it with risk management. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so now, do you have any queries?
So tell them about the cent account.
Center calls it good for practicing. Okay,
Yeah.
you have to practice at least 15 days, 20 days. You have to check your psychology. No one will check it for you. Open center account, open demo account, treat it as a real account. No? Everything is from the I think mindset. Even if you have $10, you can flip it. If you have 1,000, you can flip it to 10 if you don't have mindset. So even if you have a cent account, simply deposit 10, 20 USD and try to make the percentage. If you are able to make 10%, 50% of cent account every month or every week, so congratulate yourself. You are in the 1% of the traders. If you are able to blow your cent account, you need to work on it for at least 1 month, 2 months. But before 2024 ends, you have to complete everything. Post your charts in the group, discuss it with each other so that you will guys get confidence. Okay, guys. Now you guys can ask your questions. If you have any questions, please ask. Anyone questions?
Uh, So this coming week we are starting to trade. We're starting to practicing this whole week.
Yes, you have to practice. This week, please practice. Give more time to charts so that if you find any problem in any questions regarding the charts, we can help you out. Okay. And in between, what I will do, if I find probability setups, okay, even if it is an example, it is a real example, I will share it in the group so that you guys get an idea. Is it clear? Anyone? Any doubt?
Yeah, it is very clear, sir.
Yes, and this is very simple as well. You don't need any indicator or anything else. Simple things.
You are already are our indicators, so we don't need any indicators.
Thank you. I'm also working on it. I'm using it. Okay, I'm using other setups as well.
I know,
But
I know you guys are preparing yourself to teach us, and I think you should open a platform where we can also show us show our testimonials as well for your growth as well. So
thank you. We will do for sure.
thanks a lot for sharing your experience with us, Rohan.
Yeah, thank you so much. And next week as well, I will try to share more and more examples with you so everything gets clear. And don't focus on other strategies, bro. Like there is something in Hindi, घुमा फिरा के यही आना है. That kind of thing is here. You have to wander here and there, and then you will come back to the same thing engulfing. Okay. And
Yeah.
why I like advise everyone to focus on zero spread account, because in a spread account there is an additional 3 pips. I know in zero spread there is a commission, but in zero spread you will not miss your entry even by 1 pip. Okay, even by 1 pip you will not miss your entry. That is the sniper entry. 20, 30 pip SL, that is the exact 20 pip SL. But in spread account, 3 pips additional. If it is a news, it is a volume area, it will become 40, 4 pips, 5 pips. You have to take the burden of it. You will miss your entry. That's the second additional point. So every if costly thing gives you an added advantage. So it's up to you whether you want to use your zero spread account after the class. Okay, after the practice, it depends on your thought. That was just a process so that you guys can focus on trading, not for the commissions. Okay. So take your trades and firstly practice it more and more and ask me doubts. I will surely help you out. Okay. Any questions? Anyone?
I have no questions now, so I'm clear.
Okay. I think Mr. Makbul, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear everything?
It's all about clear.
Okay. Focus on it. Like to practice it for 3 to 4 months, and you not need to focus on other setups. Okay. That's a guarantee.
Okay. Okay, sir. I
Okay.
will focus and I will practice.
Okay. Arun bro, do you guys have any questions?
No, sir, everything
No,
is
we
clear.
are
आप
connected.
बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाया
We
सर
are
ने,
all
सब कुछ क्लियर है,
together.
कुछ होगा तो
Okay.
पूछ लेना।
Mr. Makbul and Arun both, we are talking to each other.
No.
So we
Okay.
are learning.
Okay. And Godfrey, do you have any queries? Joel bro, you have any query?
No, I'm okay, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Constantina ma'am, do you have any query? Hello ma'am.
No, I'm fine.
Constantina.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm
Okay.
fine.
Okay. Phil bro, Aditya bro, Helen bro, do you have any queries? I think they have muted themselves. Okay. Moses bro, I will share the recording with you so that you can like revise it. Okay. Shruti
Sir,
ma'am, do you have any query?
No, sir, nothing right.
Okay, great,
Thank
great.
you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So
All right. Thank you.
guys, okay.
Thank you. No
sir,
questions.
is me?
Yeah, please ask if you have any question.
No questions.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, please upload the recording in the group, sir.
Okay, I will upload. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm sorry I came late from work. Thank you.
I know you are working,
Mm,
so
mm,
I already prepared for this one.
mm. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, good night. Take care, and
Thank you.
share your charts in the group so that I can check. Okay, good night, guys. And share your feedbacks in the group so that I can post it as well.